Welcome to Tech Vibe, where tomorrow's tech is your front row preview. Let's get ready to fly, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just change what's possible for lightweight drone photography. Picture this, an ultra-compact drone that fits your palm but delivers pro-level imaging, smooth shots, and smart sensing, all without the hassle of registration or restrictions. That could be the reality with the rumored DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that seems poised to elevate the Mini series to new heights. So what's the launch timeline looking like? Early rumors pointed to an August 7, 2025 release, sparking excitement among drone fans eager for something powerful yet portable. More recent updates suggest a slight delay, with a September 2025 debut now looking more likely, consistent with DJI's fall release patterns. That makes sense if they're squeezing in major upgrades like LiDAR, a bigger sensor, and extended battery capacity. Let me pull you in with this hook. What if your next drone could shoot cinematic 4K per 120 frames per second footage, sense obstacles with surgical precision, and still weigh under 250 grams? That's the kind of magic DJI appears to be brewing with the Mini 5 Pro. Speaking of upgrades, the camera is set for a massive leap. The new model is rumored to house a 1-inch sensor, up from the 1/1.3-inch sensor on the Mini 4 Pro, unlocking sharper detail, better low-light performance, and richer dynamic range. Pair that with 4K per 120 frames per second video and HDR vertical shooting, and you've got cinematic capture in your pocket. There's even talk of a 48mm medium telephoto mode for portrait-style shots right from the air, adding a new creative twist. But visuals are just part of the story. Navigation and safety are stepping up too, with omnidirectional obstacle sensing powered partly by LiDAR. The first time the Mini series would sport such tech. That means smoother, safer flights when weaving through forests, urban canyons, or low-light conditions. Some leaked packaging even confirms nightscape obstacle sensing with forward LiDAR, so you can fly with confidence at dusk or indoors. Yet the Mini 5 Pro might still cling to its lightweight throne. A recent image leak shows a C0 sticker, evidence that DJI has managed to pack all that tech into under 250 grams. That's a huge win for hobby pilots and creatives who don't want to deal with weight-based restrictions in the US, UK, or Canada. Even professionals are buzzing about it. As one reviewer put it, this would be pro power in a pocketable package. In terms of design, the drone remains foldable and compact, just like its predecessors. But inside, the battery is getting a serious boost, moving from 18.9 Wh to 33.5 Wh. That promises up to 36 minutes of flight time, with even more if DJI offers a heavier battery plus option like before. Throw in the same battery compatibility across the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro, and pilots can reuse what they already own. Smart choice. And flight performance isn't just about time. Expect a more efficient, quieter propeller system, stronger motors, and potentially OcuSync 4.0.4 for long-range, reliable video transmission, possibly up to 20 kilometers or more. DroneXL's FCC leaks point to a long-range capability, even suggesting up to 25 kilometers of effective streaming range. That's ideal for capturing nature scenes or architectural footage from afar without hiccups. There may also be subtle design innovations. Some leaks show a small side button, possibly a one-touch launch for controller-free flight, similar to DJI's Flip series. Imagine unfolding the drone, hitting a button, and having it lift off and capture footage autonomously, a feature made for quick travel clips or spontaneous moments. But as always with leaks, there's a trade-off. The added tech might bump the weight slightly above 249 g. Some box images don't display the under 249 g line, suggesting that DJI may have skipped it if they couldn't keep the weight class. That might mean registration requirements for certain regions, though early leaks with the C0 label suggest DJI is still targeting portability. On price, whispers place the Mini 5 Pro at a higher tier than the Mini 4 Pro, perhaps around $899 to $999 for the base, and $1,199 to $1,499 for a Fly More combo with additional batteries and accessories. It's pricier, but many sources see it as a fair trade for pro-level sensing, battery, and dynamic shooting upgrades. Let me hook you again before wrapping. Imagine grabbing a drone that punches like a flagship watch. ES for obstacles with laser accuracy, shoots vertical 4K video for social stories, and still slides into your backpack without the paperwork. That's the DJI Mini 5 Pro whispering in the news right now. So here's what's shaping up: an expected September 2025 release, a 1-inch sensor capturing 4K at 120 frames per second, vertical shooting capabilities, LiDAR-powered omnidirectional sensing, up to 36+ minutes of flight juice, potentially controller-free quick launch, long-range OcuSync 4 transmission, foldable ultralight design, and rumored pricing in that $899 to $999 ballpark. If DJI pulls it off, the Mini 5 Pro could easily become the most exciting travel-ready drone for pros and hobbyists alike, melding cinematic image quality, smart safety, and regulatory convenience into one sleek package. Thanks for tuning into this deep dive. Tech Vibe keeps you at the cutting edge of what's next. Don't forget to subscribe for first flight reviews, no fluff insights, and everything tomorrow's tech unfolds into today. Thanks for vibing with us at Tech Vibe, where innovation meets insight. Until next time, keep looking up and stay creative.